Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 5th, 2023. Here to talk about Aave today and see what is the buy or sell price for this particular market as of now. You guys can see that a price prediction has already been generated off of our chart all the way back on June the 27th, 2023. At that time, I was looking for the market in Aave to trend up higher, and you guys can see it. I wasn't even that bullish. I was looking for the market maybe to hit 76 bucks, and that was about a $75, and the market in Aave ultimately ran all the way up here to 88. Hey, cool. No problems, no issues. We still saw the profit though. Right here into the market in Aave after June the 27th, the market hit our ultimate TP on the 3rd of July. 9.28%. I'm sorry, 14.3% profitability right there. All right, so go ahead and get rid of it. Let's talk about the market right now in Aave. You guys can tell that we did break outside of this downtrend line, which we identified previously. Market fell through it, fell above it, and now we're trending back down alongside that downtrend line. So that line is still applicable. So what we're going to do is we're going to extend it down a little bit lower. Now, given the recent price action into Aave, the market definitely has gone through some bouts of selling, particularly right here on the 31st of July. The market did go through some selling there, but then the buyers definitely panned out and came through on the 1st. Why would I say that? Because when you see the volume on August the 1st, look at that volume here. Okay, that stands out. It really means that the buyers stepped in there and kept price up. Now the selling is still ongoing into the market in Aave, so the market just currently is taking a break. You guys can see that the buyers are still holding price, which is fantastic. Something that we'll have to continue to see into the market in Aave as well. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame. Here's Aave on a 2-day chart. And you guys can see, like I told you earlier, there's still some selling coming to the market in Aave. And if anything else, there's a lack of buyers into the market currently. Here it is on the 3-day chart. You guys can see it here too. Okay. So now overall, how do you see the market in Aave? Do you see it as bullish, or do you just see it literally just trading within a range? Do you suspect that the market price action in Aave is just consolidating? Like, how are you viewing the price action in Aave? Okay, so looking at this from this vantage point, yeah, we're trending down. You know, the value into Aave is definitely seeing lack of interest to break above this downtrend line. That is the current direction. So why look for anything else outside of this until we see the market in Aave break that downtrend? We need to consider that the market has a greater probability of continuing to go down. Take a look at this last 5-day price bar as well. I don't want you all to think that this is through. An indicator was created off of this chart, a push to go down bar, which simply means that the market sellers put pressure on the buyers over the last 5 days to end the market down here on the close of $63. All right, keep that in mind. Now, this is where the buyers currently reside into the market in Aave. I really like it right here though. Okay, so currently price is weak in Aave. But also pay attention to this price level here in Aave around $61, $61.50. That is where buyers will have to stage. They will have to step back into the market and begin buying Aave at that level. If they don't, then we need to see price in Aave continue to drift down. Now, I'm not looking for a crash or anything of that sort, but definitely we need to anticipate that the market price action in Aave is weak. So I'm just going to continue to place some weakness into the market in Aave. These 2 lines here represent my targets as to where I'm suspecting the buyers to approach the market in Aave. And like I told you, it's not that weak. I'm not that bearish looking into the price action in Aave. Take a look at this on the monthly chart. Here's another indication as to why I'm not really bullish into Aave as of yet. Last month, July, wasn't fantastic at all for the buyers. Throughout the month of July, though, they did move price up, but they couldn't sustain it. It fell back down. So given that that is the case, we're going to look for the market in Aave to continue to drift ever so slightly lower. So put this back on the daily chart, and let's go ahead and put these targets on. You guys can actually see the first one already, which is literally where the low came in on the 1st of August. I'm looking for the market to possibly hit that again, and that is only 4.83%, maybe 5% move to the downside there. And then my second target is going to be around $58.50. That's a 9% move lower in Aave from that perspective. And then as long as Aave's price stays above really $68, I'm going to anticipate that, like I said, a greater probability is for the market to go lower. Okay, so that is it. I'm finished. You're up. Give me your targets. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.